Okay beta, so you got value of x and beta value of y. Now what we have to do, we just have to equate value of x and beta value of y in these equations. So both the values you will equate, then you will not find the solution. Then what we have to do, sir, what you have to do, sir, see there are two variable x and y, so you have to bring both the side single variable so that the variable get cancelled and you will find what ratios. Got you, sir, got you. Fine. Now let's start with the solutions for this. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll put value of x only. Okay, we will put value of x only. So what about value of y? Value of y, if you are putting value of y, then you have to put only value of y, so that only one variable x remains both the side, and if you are putting value of x, then only one variable y will remain both the side. Okay, so as you have told, sir, put value of x only. Okay, so x equal to how much? 3y divide by beta 4 here square. See, I have put value of x, and then y is already there, plus again 3y divide by 4 and beta here y square. This side also 3y divide by 4 cube plus y cube. Be alert, be alert. 3 3s are 9 y square. How? This 3 3s are 9 y square divided by 4 4s are 16 y. 16y. Why this y is since from beginning itself, plus 3y multiplied by y square divided by how much? 4, sir. This side you tell me. 3 3s are 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. It's cube, right? Yes, sir. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27 y divided by 4 4s are 8, 4 4s are 8, and 8 4s are 64. Am I right? Right, sir. Plus yq. Sir, what you have done? 3 times you have to multiply 3. 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, y multiplied by y multiplied by y. Then it will become 27y cube. And down also 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4, it will become 64. And yq is already there. Okay. Now you have to do the sum. How you will do? I told you, if this is the case, you have to do LCM for new denominator. How you will do LCM for denominator? I'll show you. I'll show you. Don't worry. Here you have 16 and beta how 4. So if you are doing LCM, let's say first divide with 2. 2 8 ja 6. 2 2 ja 4. 2 4 ja 8. 2 1. Now multiply all these. 2 2 ja 4, 4 ja 16, and 1 ja 16 only. So what will be here? It will be 16. It will be beta 16. So 16 divided by 16, 1 means 9 y cube. How y cube, sir? 2y is there, y square is there, multiplied by y. So altogether 3y. So y cube plus 4 4 ja 16. 16 divided by 4, how much? 4. And that 4 has to be multiplied with 3. So 4 3s are 12. Am I right? Right, sir. 4 4s are 16 and 4 3s are 12. Y and y square, how much? Y cube equal to, here also same funda beta, 64. So 27 y cube plus 64 y cube. How in the sense? Nothing is here, so 1, and 64 divided by 1 is 64. So 64 multiplied by this, how much it will be? 64 y cube. Am I right? Right, sir. Here you see 9 and 12, how much? 21 y cube divided by 16 is to 27. 3 3s are 9. These are 27. So 27 plus 64, how much it will be? How much it will be? So 7 and 4, 11, 1 दिस इज 91 वाई क्यू डिवाइड बाई कितना बेटा 64, राइट. सो 21 वाई क्यू डिवाइड बाई 16, 21 y cube divided by 16, okay, is to 91 y cube divided by 64. 91 y cube divided by 64. Is that all right? Right, sir. Now if you are cutting this, 16 1 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64, okay, okay sir, and then you do cross multiplication, and then you do what? Cross multiplication. So 21 y cube multiplied by 4, which 4? This 4, and is to 91 y cube beta, right, right. 4 1 ja 4 and 4 2 ja 8 y cube 91 y cube, both the side you have what? Y cube. That's what I told, no, both the side same variable has to be there, so that it will get cancelled, and final ratio would be 84 is to 91. So if you are simplifying that, you will get the ratio 84 is to 91. Can you check, is there any option? 84 91, 84 91, no sir. Then what you have to do? You have to simplify it. You have to beta simplify it. 12 शते 84 13 शते. Okay, so how you will simplify? Let's say, okay, here I will simplify for you. Now you have to remember rule 3. Rule 2 and 3 is very important. So rule 2, what I told, either you can divide with same number or you can multiply with same number. So let's say if I am dividing with 7, if I am dividing with 7, what will be the resultant? 7 1 ja 7 and 7 2 ja 24. Okay, here 7 1 ja 1, here also 7 1 ja 1, 7 1 ja 1, 8 9 2, so it will become 21, and 7 3 ja 21. It means the resultant simplified matrix you have is 12 is to 13 beta, 12 is to 13. Now see, is there any option? Yes, B number is the option. Beta, you have to practice. Until you practice, you won't be able to thorough with this kind of problems. And believe me, if you practice 3 times, that's all. Then even if you are not looking at exam day, it will be okay for you. Okay, and believe me, this is one of the scoring and easiest chapter in your foundation curriculum. So never escape it. Never ever escape it. Keep solving. Fine. Now let's start with another problems. Problem number 20. Problem number 20 you have. Problem number 20. P is to Q is the subduplicate ratio of Px square and Qx square. Px square and Qx square. Okay. This is also very easiest chapter. Subduplicate ratio. Okay. What you have is PQ is the subduplicate ratio of Px square and Qx square. Okay. Chalo. Now problem number 20 you have is P is to Q. This is what? This is subduplicate ratio. So it's subduplicate ratio. Subduplicate ratio, right? Right, sir. And then subduplicate ratio of p minus x square is to q minus x square. So p is to q is subduplicate ratio of p minus x square and q minus xq. So if I'll ask you find out the subduplicate ratio for this, then what you will do, sir, root under we have to put. So p minus x square root under is to q minus x square root under. Actual sense this is subduplicate ratio, but they have given you कि मान लो p is to q is also subduplicate ratio of this. So actual subduplicate ratio we have found out p minus x square under root and q minus x square under root. So now we can equate, right? Right, sir. We can equate. So p by q equal to beta p minus x square and q minus x square. Till here anyone is having doubt? No, sir. Now I told you can either multiply or divide both the side. Rule number 2 again came into picture. So rule number 2 is very important. Where is rule number 2? So let's go and watch the theoretical discussions. Maybe lecture 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those 5 lectures you have to watch and then you have to start with this problem solving. Now you see p by q we will do a square, and then what you have to do, you have to do a square both the side. You have to do a square both the side, right? So q minus x square. For this also a square. Am I right? Right, sir. So simply it will become p square divided by beta q square, and this side and this side. This side if I put a square, this root will go off. This root will go off. So p minus x square divided by q minus x square. So it will become p minus x square divided by q minus x square. So what basically I have done, to remove under root, I have squared it both the sides, right? Right, sir. Now your favorite thing. What is that favorite things? Cross multiplication, sir. Right. P square q minus x square, and here you have q square p minus beta x square. Is that right? Right, sir. So p square q minus p square x square equal to pq square minus q square x square. So p square q and p square x square, here pq square minus q square x square, right? Right. Now what you can do is, what we can do, sir? So both the sides you have done with, right? Right, sir. Now see here, p square q, and here also pq square. So this we will bring this side, then it will become pq square, right? Right, sir. Here see, this is p square x square, minus sign is there. This side if it comes, it becomes p square x square minus q square x square. Am I right? Right, sir. If you will take common outside, what will be? P is here also, pq is here also, p and q is here also. So p and q if I will take common, then what is left out here? P. Out of 2p, 1p I have taken common and q I have taken common. So this is left with only p minus here also. P I have taken common, then left with q. So p minus q. Here also what I'll take? I'll take what is common in this 2? P square. Here you don't have P square, so P you cannot take common. X square. Here yes, you have X square. X square I took common. What is left with? P square minus Q square. Am I right? Right, sir. Okay, beta. Come here now. Okay, I will write down one concept here. Simple mathematics. What is that simple mathematics? If somewhere it is x square minus, if someone it is x square minus y square, then you have to remember one formula. If you will further simplify it, it will become x plus y multiplied by x minus y. What is this, sir? Nothing. You just have to remember it. Because this I am going to use in these solutions, and this is the formula which you have been learning from standard 5, I believe. Okay, so x square minus y square, if somewhere it will be x plus y multiplied by x minus y. Same way, say funda if I apply here, see PQ okay, so you just have to remember this concept, and then we are doing next step. What is that? PQ P minus Q. So PQ P minus Q equal to x square P square minus Q square. Here you have x square P square minus Q square. P square x square. Right. Now PQ P minus Q divided by, if this PQ I will bring this side, and this will be left with x square. So I can say x square equal to PQ P minus Q, and then I wrote one formula this side, x square minus y square equal to x plus y and x minus y. Yes, sir. So P square minus Q square equal to, you are going to tell me P plus Q and beta P minus Q. Am I right? Right, sir. Then what is common here? P minus Q and P minus Q got cancelled. So x square equal to PQ divided by beta P plus Q. Am I right? Right. Is there any option? PQ divided by P plus. Yes. C number is the option, right? Right, sir. Another problem quickly we will complete with 21. Another problem we have is 21. It says 2s 3t is the duplicate ratio of, okay, so duplicate ratio is 2s is to 3t. Duplicate ratio is 2s is to 3t is the duplicate ratio of 2s minus p and 3t minus p. किसका डुप्लीकेट? तो original ratio given is 2s minus p is to 3t minus p. So this is more or less like the previous one only. Okay, sir. So previous one only, what we did, we calculated subduplicate. Here duplicate ratio you have given with this one. Now we have to equate it. Original ratio is this one, so we will convert it into duplicate first. duplicate 2s minus p, 2s minus p, what we will do, a square is to 3t minus p a square. This has become now duplicate. Now your job is to equate the ratios, right? How you will equate? You have given with 2s is to 3t is what? Duplicate of 2s minus p a square, 3t minus p a square. Am I right? Right. So 2s divided by 3t equal to 2s minus p a square divided by 3t minus p a square. Okay. Okay, sir. Now you have to do the calculations. Here also I will teach you one thing which you just have to remember. And what is that? That is again your fifth standard formula. Beta, if somewhere it is a plus b ka whole square, then it will be a square plus 2ab plus b square. What if, sir, there is a minus b ka whole square? Then tell me, sir. Then simply a square minus 2ab plus beta b square. This is mathematical concept. I believe all the concept you are putting into boxes, big boxes you have to put this, right? So that whenever you are revising quickly for this. A plus b ka whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, a minus b ka whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Now we'll solve it. Let's write first. What you write? 2s divided by 3t. 2s divided by 3t equal to 2s minus p ka whole square, minus p का whole square divided by 3t minus p का whole square. 3t minus p का whole square. समझ में आयो बबुआ? आयो सर. 2s divided by 3t. I have wrote the formula. A minus b का whole square equal to a square means 2s square minus 2 a in the sense 2s multiplied by p minus beta p square, right? Sir. Divided by, again here also 3 t square minus 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by minus p, no, b is this one, right? B is this one. So p and minus p ka whole square. So plus, no, here also plus, minus p ka whole square. Am I right? Right, sir. चलिए बच्चा. So 2 2 जा 4s square minus 2 2 जा 4sp minus it will become always plus, so p divided by 3 3 जा 9 t square minus Sir, how it has become minus? Simply we have plus only, but this b is in minus, so if we are putting minus here also, all the multiplication it will become minus. So straight away I have put minus here only. Okay, nothing to confuse. 3 to the 6 tp plus beta p square and you have here 2s divided by 3t. Okay, now what you have to do is cross multiplication, your favorite ratio. We have been doing cross multiplication, sir. You have to do. Now 2s multiplied by 9t square minus 6 tp plus p square, okay, equal to 3t multiplied by 4 s square minus 4 sp plus p square. 9 to the 18 st square minus 6 to the 12 stp plus 2 sp square equal to 3 4 the 12 s square t minus 3 4 the 12 spt plus 3 tp square. Okay, now see, both the side you have minus 12 stp minus 12 stp, so this gets cancelled and you will be left with what, bacha? You will be left with 18 st square plus 2 sp square equal to 12 s square t plus 3 tp square. 3 क्या है? tp square, right? Yes sir, 3 tp square. Okay, rest of the solutions I'll do here. Now here you tell me, is there anything, okay, which we can take क्या common? 18 st square and st, sp and tp, sp and tp. So we will do some arrangement here. What arrangement you will do, sir? 18 st square, okay, minus 12 s square t. What I have done, this 12 I have brought this side, and here 3 tp square minus 2 sp square What I have done, this 2 I have brought that side. Fine. So here you will have 3 छक 18, 3 चौका 12. So 4 5 छत्री 18 6 दूना 12. Okay, so 6 s and t I am taking common. Then 6xt if I will take common, what will be left with? 6 3 ja 18, 6 3 ja 18, 6 3 ja 18. Here you will be left with t alone, minus 6 2 ja 12, you will be left with s alone. This side if I am taking, here I can take p square as a common, so it will be left with 3t minus beta 2s. Am I right? Right, sir. Now this p, so 6st 3t minus 2s divided by this 3t minus 2s, 3t minus 2s equal to p square. This I have brought this side, so multiplication will become what? Division. 3t minus 2s, 3t minus 2s, right? So p square equal to 6st. Is there any option? P square, yes. First number is the option. You understood? Again I am telling, what you have to do is you just have to practice twice or 4 times. It will become damn easy. All the questions you have to practice on the paper. See what I would have done, I would have shown the same PDF copy I would have downloaded from institute site, right? And there itself I would have shown you quickly, do like this, do like this. But I didn't do that because I want you to solve the way I am solving on the paper. This is 10 times beneficial than anyone telling their story simply by mouth. Okay, you may understand, for time being you may understand it, right? But long term you won't be able to catch it, retain it. So solve it on the paper. Okay, I'm telling you again, solve it on the paper. We have done 21. We have 4 more questions, so that also quickly we will complete it. We will complete this chapter today. So now we are doing question number 22. Beta, and this is damn easy. How? You have given with p is to q equal to 2 is to 3, and then they have given x is to y equal to 4 is to 5. This 2 ratio they have given, and then they are asking you to find simplify. Find क्या? 5 px plus 3 qy is to 10 px plus 4 qy. They are asking you to find out 10 px. They are asking you to simplify, find out the value of this by using this 2 ratios equation. Okay, so as you know, p by q equal to beta 2 by 3. Same funda, cross multiplication, 3p equal to 2q, or beta p equal to 2q by 3, right sir, or q equal to 3p by 2. Am I right? Right sir. Same way, this equation if I solve, what will be there? X divided by y equal to beta 4 by 5. Again same funda, cross multiplication, so 5x equal to beta 4y, right? So x equal to either 4y divided by 5 or y equal to 5x divided by 4. Am I right? Right sir. Okay. So by using this this in the sense value of either p and x or q and y, you have to simplify these equations. So again same thing, you remember I told you before, in order to simplify, both the side has to be same kind of variable. Both the side has to be क्या बेटा? Same kind of variable, so that you will get the ratios. Am I right? Right sir. So now let's solve it. Equation you have is 5 px plus 3 qy, right, is to 10 px plus 4 beta qy. Am I right? Right, sir. Right, sir. This is correct. Okay. So let's use value of p and x. P and x. I'm using value of p and x in order to get both the side q and y, right? So p equal to 2q divided by 3. So 5 multiplied by p equal to 2q divided by 3. If I am 2q divided by 3, right, and x equal to 4y divided by 5, and x equal to 4y divided by 5 plus 3qy. Now see, this side all the variables are same, q y q y. Okay, this side also funda would be same, multiplied by 10 multiplied by p equal to how much, 2q divided by 3, and beta x equal to 4y divided by 5, and you have is 4qy. Right, sir. Now you have to keep simplifying it. So 5 multiplied by 2q multiplied by 4y divided by how much, 5 3s are 15 plus 3qy. Here 10 multiplied by 2q multiplied by 4y divided by 5 3s are 15 plus 4qy. Now I have taught you how to do sum. LCM, it will be 5. Here you see 5 2s are 10 and 10 4s are 40. 5 2s are 10 and 10 4s are 40 qy plus denominator for this is nothing, means 15. So 15 3s are 45 qy. यहाँ पे बताओ बेटा how much, 10 2s are 20 and 4s are 40 qy. सर सेम, अब तक तो सेम है. ओके, एंड प्लस यहाँ पे नथिंग, देन 15 4 जा 60 qy बेटा. right. Now both the side is 15 both the side is 15. So this is cancelled. Am I right? Right. Here you have is 40 and 45, 85 qy is to 100. something wrong. 10 2 ना 20. हाँ, here you see 10 2 जा 20 and 24 जा it will be 80. No, be alert. Okay, and here you have is 140 qy, right? Now you have to tell me something common. Yes sir, what is common? qy and beta qy. So this is got cancelled, and resultant ratio you have is 85 is to beta 140. Am I right? Right. Do you have this option? So this option we don't have. Then what you have to do? Simplify. Then again you are going to rule 2. So let's say 85 divided by, if I am doing 5, is to 140 divided by, if I am doing 5, then how you will simplify it? 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5, 5 7 ja 35, 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, and then 5 8 ja 40. So simplified ratio what has become? 17:28. Is there any option? 17, yes sir. Option C, right? Right sir. So this was the easiest one, isn't it? Isn't it? Yes sir. Okay, so we are done with 22. Now we will complete quickly 23. 23, what we have is the number which, when subtracted from each of them, each term of the ratio 19:31, reducing it to 1:4, reducing is to 1:4. So वो number क्या है? Number equal to what? Which if reduced from ratios 9:31, it will become क्या? It will become 1:4. Have you understood the question? Read yourself. Read yourself. Reading question is art, right? Reading question is an art, and you have to learn how to read. Now see, read with me. The number which, when subtracted from each of term of the ratio, each of term of the ratio means from 19 and 31. Okay, 19 and 31, it will become what? 1:4. Okay, so let's say that number is what? X. So say this number is what? X. Then form the equation 19 divided by 31. Okay, if you are reducing this number from this ratio, the ratio becomes what? 1:4. 1:4, right? Right sir. Now your favorite, cross multiplication, sir? Yes sir. Multiplied by 4 equal to 1 multiplied by 31 minus x. So 1976 minus 4x equal to 31 minus कितना बेटा? x. Am I right? Right sir. So 76 minus 31. How? This 31 I have brought this side, minus x, plus this minus 4x. If I bring this side, it will become what? Plus 4x. So 36, and this is 31. Here 5 and 4, right? 76 minus this, it will 4 3 7. Okay, minus this is 3x. 3x, right? Right sir. Here you see now x equal to 45 divided by beta 3. Am I right? Right sir. So 3 1 ja 3, and 3 1 ja 3, and 3 5 ja. Okay, so x equal to कितना बेटा? 15. 15 means that number is बेटा 15. Is there any option? देख लेते हैं. Is there any option? Yes sir. A number is the option. A number is the option. मैच करते जाना बेटा, राइट? मैं आंसर नहीं देख रहा हूँ, but hope it will be correct. So आप मैच करो. Logically, if you are going, you need not see the answer only, isn't it? Okay, now 24. Very good problem. So be alert. Daily earning of two persons are in the ratio of 4:5. 4:5, and their daily expenses are in the ratio of 7:9. Expenses are in the ratio of 7:9. So ratio of earning is how much beta? 4:5, that is 4/5. Okay, daily earning of 2 persons for this. Okay, and their daily expenses, and ratio of beta expenses, ratio of expenses you have is is 7:9, means 7/9. So there are 2 persons, which 2 persons ratio of earning is 4:5 and ratio of expenses is 7:9, right? Then they are saying if each save rupees 50 per day, their daily earning is in the rupees of. Okay, and saving they are saying rupees 50. बेटा आप मुझे बताओगे, सिंपल फार्मूला आप मुझे बताओ तो सेविंग इक्वल टू क्या होगा? तो आपका डेली अर्निंग माइनस बेटा आपका डेली एक्सपेंसेस. अरे बाबा समझ में आया? आप बताइए मुझे, सेविंग इक्वल टू क्या होगा? व्हाट वुड बी द सेविंग? So yours daily earning minus yours daily expenses and that is given rupees how much? 50. तो कहने का मतलब your earning minus your expenses is 50. So beta, so your, if at all I say, okay, if at all I say, okay, I will use this later on. Now you come this side. Now what I am doing, I am pretending, let's say earning of those 2 persons, earning of those 2 persons are rupees x and beta rupees y. Earning of those 2 persons are rupees x and rupees y. So can I say x is to y equal to, आपको दिया हुआ है कि रेशियो ऑफ अर्निंग क्या है? 4:5. So can I equate this? Yes, 4:5 and you know x by y and 4/5. So your favorite cross multiplication, 5x equal to beta 4y, or if I want to write x equal to 4y divided by 5 और y equal to beta 5x divided by 4. यहाँ तक किसी को प्रॉब्लम है? No sir, we don't have any problem. Okay beta, now see, now you are given with ratio of expenses. So अब मैं यहाँ पे ओ स्टेप लिखता हूँ, रेशियो ऑफ एक्सपेंसेस. सो मैं कहूँ डेली अर्निंग माइनस एक्सपेंसेस इक्वल टू 50. दिस itself has become one equation. If I solve and say कि इस 50 को इस साइड एंड एक्सपेंसेस को उस साइड. सो डेली expenses equal to this daily expenses I have brought this side, then minus has become plus. So daily expenses equal to daily earning minus 50. Am I right? देखो यहाँ पे कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना चाहिए. क्योंकि सर इसी पे आधारित है बाकी का सॉल्यूशन. डेली अर्निंग इक्वल टू डेली एक्सपेंसेस इक्वल टू डेली अर्निंग माइनस 50. सो डेली एक्सपेंसेस ऑफ एक्स, डेली एक्सपेंसेस ऑफ अ पर्सन एक्स, डेली एक्सपेंसेस ऑफ फर्स्ट पर्सन x minus 50 and second person y minus 50. यहाँ तक कोई डाउट? नो सर. ओके बेटा, that's all. So ratio of expenses of those two person x minus 50 divided by y minus 50 equal to, they have given you, see, ratio of expenses how much, 7:9. so 7 डिवाइड बाय बेटा 9. प्रॉब्लम आप पढ़ोगे, बार बार पढ़ोगे, ठीक है. एंड देन अगेन योर फेवरेट क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन, x माइनस 50 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 9 इक्वल टू y माइनस 50 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय बेटा 7. बताइए मुझे 9x माइनस 450 इक्वल टू 7y माइनस 7 5 जा 350. Am I right? Right, sir. Right. So now you can simplify. Now you will simplify it, or you want me to simplify? और you want me to simplify? सर simplify कर दो आप ही, बहुत बदमाश हो. सो यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, 9x माइनस 7y इक्वल टू, देखो इस 7 को मैंने इधर लाया, सो यहाँ पे माइनस 350 प्लस 450, सो फाइनली इट विल बिकम 9x माइनस 7y इक्वल टू 100. इसको हम कह देते हैं इक्वेशन 3. क्यों सर? क्योंकि इक्वेशन 1 एंड 2 आपने कहीं पे लिखा था. देखो, दिस इज इक्वेशन 1, दिस इज इक्वेशन 2. ओके ओके सर. नाउ व्हाट विल डू, we will simplify it further. So put the value of x in equation 3. we get so 9 multiplied by x equal to कितना है, देखो 4y डिवाइड बाय 5. सो बेटा 4y डिवाइड बाय 5 माइनस 7y इक्वल टू हाउ मच, 100 सर. सो 9 चौक 36y डिवाइड बाय बेटा 5 and 7y equal to 100. You have now that expertise 5, so 36y minus 5 5 जा 35y equal to beta 100. So 36 minus 35, how much, y equal to 5 is in division this side, how much it will become, y equal to 500, right? Now put the value of y in equation 1 ही करते हैं. in equation 1 बेटा we get what we get, I will tell you sir. what we get, x equal to 4y minus 4y divided by 5. so 4 multiplied by 500 divided by, am I right, y equal to 500 and here you have 5 divided by 5. तो आपका गोल्डन स्टेप क्या है, 5 1 जा 5, 5 1 जा 5, 5 1 जा 5. सो x equal to बच्चा 400, x equal to how much, 400. now if I will say you x and y equal to कितना होगा, 400 आंसर 500. क्या ये ऑप्शन है? क्या ये ऑप्शन, जल्दी 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 देखो, क्या ये ऑप्शन है? 400 एंड 500 है सर। कौन सा? सी, नंबर सी वुड बी द ऑप्शन, राइट? कौन सा? सी हमारा आंसर हो गया। इज दैट राइट? राइट सर। नाउ वन मोर प्रॉब्लम यू हैव। सर कर ले क्या? ऑब्वियसली आज ख़त्म करते हैं इसको, आज ख़त्म करते हैं, आज ख़त्म करते हैं इसको। Okay beta, so last question we have is question number 25, last questions, and this is very good question. Okay, so keep focus. The ratio between the speed of two train, speed of two train, ratio is how much? 7:8. Okay, if the second train run 400 kilometer in 5 hours, the speed of the first train is how much? So first train speed equal to what? If second train runs, okay, so if second train runs क्या runs, second train runs 400 kilometer in 5 hours, 400 kilometer in 5 hours, right? Then 1 hour में कितना रन करेगा सेकेंड ट्रेन? 400 डिवाइड बाय 5, दैट इज 80 hours. That is how much? 80 hours. That is how much? 80 hours. Right? Right, sir. Okay. Now see, we have given with ratios of speed. Okay, ratios of speed. First train we have to identify if second train is given. First train we have to identify if second train is given. Now what we will do? We will form the equation. How? So train 1 speed and train 2 speed. So T1 speed मीन्स 10-1 स्पीड डिवाइड बाय बेटा T2 स्पीड is equal to 7:8 you have given with. now बताओ मुझे T1 डिवाइड बाय 80 आवर्स पर किलोमीटर, क्योंकि 80 किलोमीटर पर आवर, 80 किलोमीटर पर आवर्स इक्वल टू 7/8. now your favorite T1 डिवाइड बाय 80 डिवाइड बाय here 7/8. this is your these things. now 8 T1 equal to 560. so T1 equal to 560 divided by 8. right sir. now 8/7 so T1 equal to 70. it means a speed of train 1 और ये स्पीड क्या है, किलोमीटर पर आवर, इक्वल टू 70. इज देयर एनी ऑप्शन? यस सर, सी नंबर इज द ऑप्शन. सी नंबर इज बेटा क्या ऑप्शन. फाइन. so in this way we are done with exercise 1A, which is there on ratios. beta what you have to do here, first you watch 5 videos lecture on theory part, okay, theory part, and then continue the exercise भी. beta you have to solve each and every problem along with me on paper. you have to solve each and every problem on paper so that it will become easy for you. until you solve you won't be able to recollect, you won't be able to learn. okay, so just watching the videos does not worth. ठीक है बेटा. तो आपका काम क्या है, आप पूरा थ्योरी का देख लोगे एक बार, उसके बाद में आप एक्सरसाइज शुरू करोगे एंड सारा का सारा एक्सरसाइज अलोंग विथ मी आप करोगे. कोई समझ में नहीं आया, पॉज करके देखो, अगेन एंड अगेन देखो, एंड कोई डाउट है तो एनीवे यू कैन आस्क मी इन कमेंट, एंड बेटर यू आस्क मी ऑन माई व्हाट्सएप नंबर. ठीक है बेटा, दिस इज माई व्हाट्सएप नंबर 8095727004 is my WhatsApp number. you can ask me on this, or else you can comment so that I will respond to it. okay, चलो बेटा, टेक केयर, अपना एंड अपनों का ख्याल रखना, घर में रहना है, ठीक है, सुरक्षा पैरामीटर को फॉलो करना है एंड पढ़ाई करना है, जम के पढ़ाई करना है. ओके, टेक केयर, बाय, जय हिंद बेटा.